I am Benjamin Ogilvie. I am a master's student in the Department of Microbiology and Molecular Biology at BYU, and I am from Minnesota. So I study SARS coronavirus 2 and how it interacts with disinfectants and sewage. I also study viruses that infect anthrax, a type of bacteria. So I've got 3 different projects that I did here at BYU. Well, the first one was on SARS coronavirus 2 and alcohol-free hand sanitizer. So the CDC and the FDA have both discouraged people from using alcohol-free hand sanitizer to control COVID-19, but I thought it worked, or I thought it would work. And I tested it in the lab, and it turns out it did work. And so we published that, it got on the news, which was fun. And then the second project that I did was to test how long SARS coronavirus 2 can survive in wastewater. So there are a lot of people, including some other people at BYU, who are testing wastewater to look for this virus and to try and see where COVID-19 is spreading. So like they're looking at it at BYU housing, for instance, and seeing like, oh, in this building we've got a lot of COVID patients, in this one not so much. And my project was designed to test how long the RNA can last in the wastewater, and also how long infectious virus can last. Can we get people sick with COVID-19 through sewage? That's something that I was looking into. And then my third project was focused on anthrax and bacteriophage, which are viruses that infect bacteria. Anthrax is a really deadly microbe that often infects cows. It also infects people, and it can be used as a terrorist weapon. And my theory is that these viruses that infect anthrax can also help it survive in soil. So I looked into that with my project. After I graduate, I plan to work as a management consultant. I'm looking specifically into life sciences consulting. So I will hopefully be working with a consulting firm and helping biotech companies turn these cool technologies that they have into profit and into something valuable. If you want to do graduate school in MMBio, you should get into research as an undergraduate. And how do you do that? Well, you should talk to your professors about their research, reach out to graduate students even, and ask them if they need help with their projects. Feel free to cold call people who are on the MMBio website or in the graduate student directory. And the more research you do, the better prepared you will be to succeed as an MMBio graduate student. That's my advice. I really appreciate BYU and the chance I've had to be here as a graduate student. I've gotten to do some really cool stuff. I've had some great mentorship from professors who really helped me learn how to do research. And I've also had some great help from other students, including graduate students here and undergraduates. I've gotten to manage teams of undergraduates working on these cool projects, which is something that a lot of graduate students don't get to do. So I would encourage you, if you're looking for graduate opportunities in MMBio, to consider BYU. And I'm so grateful to BYU and everything that they've done. And it's been a really good experience.